Okay. Everson's been talking to me a lot before the call this time, where normally I don't get a whole lot of information ahead of time, but this last week he's been telling me a lot about what we're going to be discussing and what we're going to be doing on this call, and mostly it is a further elaboration on the topic of claiming your knowing, your ability to know all the answers to all the questions that you have in your life. And in the past calls, he has discussed this, and he will continue this topic to a much deeper level tonight. We're going to go much deeper, and on the last call, we all claimed our ability to know and said, I am knowing. And I'm just asking you to search over the past 2 weeks and really feel that difference that has made in your life to make that claim. And it is essentially the groundwork for the work that we're going to be doing tonight. Allowing yourself to get to the place where you really feel it in your cells, not just know it in an intellectual level. So that's essentially the topic that we're going to go, but we'll hear where else he takes us. So right now I just want to do relaxation and connecting, so we're all essentially energetically connected. Before we start with Everson coming onto the call, so I'm going to ask you to put your feet firmly on the ground, or if you are not able to put your feet on the ground, just imagine your feet connected to the earth, and really feel under your feet in your imagination the earth, the Mother Earth, and feel your feet actually connecting to the skin of the Mother. For she has skin and has a healing presence just by us connecting to her very surface or skin. So feel your feet very strongly connected to the very surface of the planet. And under your feet grow roots that grow deep down into the earth. And as they grow down, they spread wider and wider until you have a whole network under your feet of roots. And they're going deeper and deeper into the earth. They're going so far down that they are connecting in the very center of the earth to a layer of fire, a layer of light. This beautiful light is yellow, gold, and green. It is the life force of the planet. It is the life force of all that is. Feel yourself connecting to this beautiful reservoir of energy, this beautiful gold and green energy. And as you connect to it, it starts to move up your root work, up your system of roots that you have built down to this very center of the earth. And now this energy is coming up these roots. As you invite it into you, it is being drawn up, coming up stronger and wider in these roots, becoming stronger and stronger as this energy builds, as it comes up and meets the bottom of your feet. And you can feel this beautiful energy as it bursts into your body. It comes in through your feet, and it comes in with a gentle but pervasive force, the force of the mother wishing to connect with us all. And as we bring it up into our bodies, we feel it enlivening us and calming us at the same time. It makes us more alive and more relaxed at the same time. And it moves up into our bodies, swirling around our ankles and our calves. And as it moves up, it leaves perfect relaxation in its path. And it pushes before it all that is ready to be released, all that is no longer needed, all that is old and unused, all that is out of function, out of accord, out of harmony with our whole system. Everything that we're ready to release is pushed in front of this beautiful green and gold energy as it moves up now to our knees, swirling around our knees and our thighs, swirling around our hips, leaving behind it perfect relaxation, perfect peace, and pushing before it everything that is ready to be released. As it moves up and it swirls around our first chakra, we feel our chakra opening to the perfect dimension to receive this energy from the mother. And as it swirls around our belly, it's now at our second chakra, clearing and cleaning and leaving behind perfect relaxation and attunement to the perfect level of openness. And as it swirls around this beautiful green and gold energy, it's moving up and it's surrounding our third chakra, opening and clearing as it goes, cleansing and relaxing. And it's moving up to our hearts, surrounding our whole chests, our whole energetic system, swirling around, leaving behind perfect peace and relaxation and a deep connection to the mother, and pushing before it everything that is old and ready to be released. As it moves up to our shoulders, it splits and goes down each of your arms, swirling around, leaving behind the perfect peace and pushing before it everything that is ready to be released. And you find your fingers are opening up and allowing all that is ready to be released to drain out of you. It's just draining out of you, landing on the earth around you and being instantly absorbed back into the mother, to be transformed back into perfect, clear, clean energy. And as we find this energy again at our shoulders, it is moving up and around throat chakra, clearing and cleaning everything that is ready to be released and leaving behind perfect peace and harmony, perfect attunement of the energy center as it swirls around our whole heads, clearing and cleaning as it goes, removing everything that is ready to be released, everything that is old and no longer needed. As it swirls around the very center of our brain, our pineal